In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google Analytics to Hostinger Website Builder. This is a quick setup, but there is one small detail that can trip people up. You'll need the correct Google Analytics measurement ID, and if you paste the wrong thing, the integration won't work properly. I'll point out exactly what to use as we go so the connection is smooth. To get started, the first thing you need is your Google Analytics measurement ID. This is the tracking ID that tells your Hostinger website where to send visitor data inside your Google Analytics account. Before opening Hostinger, make sure you already have access to your Google Analytics property and that you copy the measurement ID exactly as shown there. This is the detail I mentioned at the start because people sometimes copy a property name or a different code instead of the actual measurement ID, which can cause the setup to fail. Once you have that ID ready, log into your Hostinger account. After signing in, go to your website's list so you can access the site you want to connect. From there, find the correct website and click Edit Website. This opens the Hostinger Website Builder Editor, where you'll make the integration change. When the editor loads, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see the main builder tools there. Click the three horizontal dots, sometimes labeled as More, to open the Additional Settings menu. This area contains options that aren't always visible in the main panel, so if you don't see integrations right away, this is where you need to go. Inside that menu, select Integrations. Hostinger will then show you the available services you can connect to your website. Choose Google Analytics. You should now see a field where you can paste your measurement ID. Carefully paste the ID into that field. It's a good idea to double check that the entire ID was pasted correctly, with no extra spaces before or after it. A tiny formatting mistake here can prevent tracking from working, so this is one of those small steps that's worth an extra second. After that, click Save to store the integration setting. Then, and this part is important, click Update in the top right corner of the builder to publish the changes to your live site. Saving alone may keep the setting inside the editor, but updating ensures the connection is actually applied to the live version of your website. Once the site is updated, your Google Analytics integration is in place, and your website can begin sending data to your analytics property. And that's it. You're all set. If this helped, hit the like button and drop any questions or tutorial requests in the comments below. Subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.